What are you doing? There's nothing over there. Aurora, mira. Hey, baby, listen. Abu. Ababa. Not too bad.
It's on your phone. Turn it around.
Ah! How did that get there? How did that get there?
See ya. Where's the funny part? I have a place to put the sticker.
Oh.
Well, we need to see what kind of school is it. I think it's a first grade school. I think it's a primary school.
I ain't good in primary
I
school.
know you'd be good, but you're still 5 years old, so you're still kindergarten age.
And that's not kindergarten?
That's not kindergarten. But we can find a kids club or a little place that teaches.
Good morning. So we have officially arrived here in Phuket. It is our first morning, and I just want to take you guys on a quick little house tour. Yeah, let's check it out. It's a little bit tinier than what we came from, but it does the job. Okay, it's a lot a bit tinier. So here's the family room / Nina's or Sia's play area. Yeah, is that your little nest? And then over here is the master / only bedroom. Not a bad view. And then in here is the kitchen. Hi guys. Boop. And out here is the laundry area / balcony. And and over here is the bathroom, which is super crowded. We have things drying everywhere. Not too bad, considering we came in high season, and when we were booking online, nearly everything was booked. One thing to note is we spent 600 USD on this unit, which is crazy because you guys saw where we were living in Penang, and that was only $550 a month, and that was like 5 times this size, and obviously we had beautiful views and all the conveniences you could need. Yeah, but we booked online, and when you book online through Airbnb, it's always going to be more expensive. Once we arrived here, we were scrolling in our Facebook marketplace, and we found the same unit, 2 floors up, same exact setup and size for literally half the price, $300. But it's too late to cancel, so we just have to take a deep breath and live with that. And normally what we do is we will book an Airbnb for like the first week when we arrive somewhere, and then we will go around and try and find a more affordable accommodation. But because Phuket is such a tourist spot, and because we knew that there was, storms and such passing through, we just wanted to be on the safe side, so we booked in advance for a long period of time just to have peace of mind. And
Facebook is harder to book because it's not safe payment. We're not sure if it's reserved.
yeah,
We're not gonna send money ahead.
yeah, a lot of people, like if you try and book off of a booking platform via Facebook or whatever, they're going to want you to send a payment in advance, and that could be a bit iffy. So I don't know, I would recommend, if we could do this over, I think we would do what we normally do, and that's book an Airbnb for a week and then go around and try and find your own accommodation at a reasonable price, because they are instantly going to mark it up as soon as you type in Airbnb. The price is going to double if not triple. So
It would have been better if we took the hit for 1 week instead of a month.
yeah, food for thought, but we're happy. I mean, we have a nice comfy place, and it's cozy, and our babies are safe, so that's all that matters. And it has a washing machine, right? You like your nest? This might become Nina's bed because our bed's kind of tiny. So we tried it out last night.
Stay in the bed with us.
Yeah, we offered. She tried it. She wanted to sleep on the couch last night, so we let her. And then I brought her in our bed in the middle of the night because I went and checked on her and she looked kind of uncomfortable. And then she woke up and she was all mad at me because I moved her. So I think this will become her bed at night. I love you guys.
The camera gets there.
Camera kisses.
It is. I could just go like, the whole house is clean.
It's like a mega broom for this
It
space.
is. It's like, kitchen's clean.
Do your breathing thing. Do your breathing thing. That's you. You're a goofer. Right now you do that, but you'll do it for like a whole minute.
There for a while,
You're a goofer. Look at you, an angry, grumpy little old lady in her little floral nightgown. Yeah, that's what you look like. Yeah, that's what you look like.
A little old lady here. A little.
Okay, so it's our first adventure. We are going to explore the area. We need to find a grocery store that sells reversed osmosis water, or what's the other word you call it?
Distilled water?
Distilled water for baby's formula, and we need to find some groceries because we have no food. And we're also trying to find a motorbike to rent for the month, because from where we're at to get anywhere is 390 baht, which is like $12.50, and that's one way, so it'd be $25 round trip, and that's just to go like to the basic surroundings. So let's see what we find.
Whoa, it's not even a button. I don't want to get in.
Come on, let's go. She's so excited. Weirdo. She's like, woo! Very good. Whoop whoop. No bells. Alright, so we think we found the pool. Party time. This looks good, huh, Squirt? Touch the water with your feet over there. Those are the stairs. Right here, Squirt. Take your shoes off and feel it. Be careful. Why do you step right there where it's broken? Move over to the right more, you goof. Tell me, is it warm or cold? Touch it. Warm or cold?
Warm and cold.
We're not going swimming right now. Not too shabby, huh? Look at the leggies. Rabbit, coffee, and curry. Pad Thai. Han Hin. Alright. So everything on this menu, all these Pad Thais and stir fries and all that, they're all under what, $2?
Yeah.
Under $3?
The most expensive one is a premium. Shrimp.
All these juices. It appears we have found some motorbikes for rent. I'm assuming that says for rent. Yeah, one of these. Yeah. Which one do you want? The beige one, you think? We're not doing pink.
I like pink because all of us are pink.
We're not doing pink. So great news. We were able to find a motorbike for 3,500 baht, which is 109 US dollars for the entire month. So we got a motorbike, we're all geared up. See us sleeping. We're gonna try and find her a little helmet at Tesco, which is why we're parked under this tree, because we had to figure out directions.
We're on the right road.
Keep going
Continue straight, and then we're gonna take a right on some good road. It's like right before water.
Alright, let's go.
It's a big right.
I think Bella and Nina are in heaven. They found their spot. Hello. You excited, Munchkin?
Chocolate ball, chocolate ball.
And look who's away. Look who's away. So I have the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and the screen's cracked. And everywhere I go, it's super expensive to replace that screen because it's a curved edge. Here in Thailand, they want 283 USD. We found a spot to chill, huh, baby? Nice little break. It was hot on that motorbike. It's kind of scary riding with two kids, but we just go really slow. Gotta do what you gotta do. So for those of you that don't know this, is everybody in the world basically, but I'm kind of obsessed with these little robot vacuums, and I've always wanted one. I don't think I've ever had one. Have I ever had one? I think Marty used to have one. Anyways, look at what they have now. What? Game changer. That's gonna put all the skyscraping window cleaner dudes out of business. That's so sad. I don't think you're supposed to be riding that in the store. Just come on, hurry up. Shh, don't tell anyone. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Shh, shh, shh. Stay on this side. You guys are a bunch of rule breakers. Rule breaker, rule breaker. Maybe it's Maybelline. So I'm currently at AIS and I'm getting phone data for the month. It's going to cost me $5.50 for 6 megabytes per second unlimited data for the month, plus 50 baht for the SIM card, which comes out to 600 baht. 600 baht is 20 US dollars. So I get unlimited data, upload speeds and download speeds of 6 megabytes per second for 20 bucks for the month. Not bad. So one of the primary obvious reasons why we went with a motorbike is because a rental car right now is upwards of 1,000 USD, and our motorbike was only 100 USD for the month. So obviously, economically, that's a better option. Sure, it's slightly more risque and inconvenient because it's hot and we have to go really slow, and you know, it might rain here or there sometimes, but I'm saving over $1,100 based off of my most recent calculation, so you can't beat that. How much is your bathtub?
Guess how much?
$1.
No, it's not that good.
$2.
It's 5.
Oh.
Well, it's 120. It's 4.
Is she gonna fit in there? It looks really tiny.
We already did the test. It's mostly for baby, and she wants to
Whoa, Dad, look at that thing. It's so big.
So inside this Tesco, they have a little food court I'm gonna get the pork chop with mushrooms. So they didn't have the pork chop that went with that meal. So we're gonna go over here and grab a piece of fish, and then I can bring it to them and they'll cook it. I think this one will do 127 baht per kilo, which comes out to 32 baht. Want to see. Yummy, 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 yummy. Look at that, baby. Thank you.
นี่ผัดไทยเขาเอาเสร็จ
That's a pretty sweet deal. That fresh meal only cost me $3.
underwater. They're telling that to each other.
Let's go find your mama. You lead the way. I'll follow you, Missy. Swim, 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 swim. Swim, 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 swim.
Where are we gonna sit, Mommy?
So this is why I love my job. I don't love my job itself per se, but I love the fact that I have work in 20 minutes, literally 20 minutes, and I'm at the pool right now. And all I have to do is walk upstairs, log in, and I'm at work. It's just fantastic. Oh, and I'm in Asia, which is nice, because I also get to travel while doing it. So if you're thinking about doing it, but you're like, I don't know if it's for me, the pros outweigh the cons. You have a lot of freedom, and you get to travel, so it's perfect. You get to spend time with your kids. Yeah, and relax. No stress. No stress job. No stress. Today I'm teaching about toys. Swim, swim. Swimmy, swim, swim. Did you have fun, baby? Did you have fun? So, I am convinced that this baby is gonna learn how to crawl in this tiny little apartment. Yeah, you are, aren't you? You're gonna be crawling pretty soon, I know you are. I thought she was gonna be crawling before we left Malaysia, but I thought she was gonna start crawling the last week we were there. Anyway, we just got done swimming, and check this out. My shorts got bleached in the pool. I don't think you're in there. Oh, you know what? You might be in the background of that. Baby, relax. Also, this is my new work setup. I'm just using this tiny little shelf. And this is my mouse pad. And that's life. This will be our station for the next month. My baby. Look at you. What are you doing, you little monster? You're a little monster. Yes, you are. You're a little monster. You're going. You're getting all over the place, aren't you, huh?